Hi everyone, I'd like to talk about a feature in the banning section of Subtitle Edit that I wish was included more or less in the alignment window when working on subtitles right here. Now, in previous years I've requested for it, but unfortunately it's never happened. Now, that particular feature would really help a lot. It will help a lot in terms of what one needs to do. The assumption is, let's assume we have graphics right here where our subtitle is. Now, there are a couple of options to do that. We can just, let's say, right click and then click on alignment and then choose top center, because those are more or less like few alignments that you can do. You can also right click and just click on alignment again and either go to mid center, which is fine. The lower third graphic will be okay. Now, my request is, let's say we go to video, generate video with band-in subtitles right there. If we can navigate to somewhere here, these margins and whatever, they stay the same. If I click on this, it kinda doesn't show anything because it's already there. Let's say we do 200. There's no change. Let's do 0. There's no change whatsoever. But if this particular subtitle was at the bottom center right there, and we go back to video, generate video with band-in subtitle, let's move along a little bit, and if I click on the vertical right here, let's actually even say we do 40, you can see it goes up. Let's say we do 100, it goes up. Let's see the maximum. That's 500. Let's do 1,000. 1,000 is up there. So let's assume I wanted to do like 350. No, that's too much. Let's do 200. That's too little. Let's do 300 or 280. Still low. So why is it jumping all the way up to 99? Okay, it's up there. 250, 240, 220. So that looks good. Now, this kind of does away with all this right here, because let's say top center, it goes up, but at a vertical of 220, that would be really important. But now, not in this particular section, because right here, if you look at this, what is happening is that all subtitles will go up here. Now, in this case, I would like it to be individual subtitles. For example, if I do the alignment here, I can do top center, come here, you see this one is down, this one is down again. Let's say we do this one top center as well. Good job. But now the issue I have with this alignment section is that these are more or less with predetermined areas. So if you wanted to, let's say, bring this lower a little bit, unless you go into like the advanced substation alpha system, and then I do believe it should be somewhere ASSA tools, set position, this one, just hold it, bring it where you want it, center horizontally, center vertically, just bring it down, let's say right there, center horizontally, click OK right there. So you can obviously adjust the size and all that. If you go to the next, you get that. You go to the next, really depends on what you're working with, because now we are in ASSA style. When we go to banning the videos, there we go. Obviously everything else is grayed out there because we've already applied some styles to use and all that. Now my issue is having to kinda if we go back to SRT subrip, it would be awesome if we actually just, for the alignment, we had something on the side to kinda move the subtitle up or down or sideways depending on where we would want it, not just this alignment that is more or less fixed on whatever we have right here. And also clicking should kind of just change here and not disappear, because clicking makes everything disappear. Instead of that, we should probably have like for example, you see that one is actually not going. Okay, this one, okay, this one is this particular one, alignment bottom left. So now for example, what we have in ASSA, or in this situation, if I right click alignment, we can have an extra dialog box of where we want, or even a dialog box for us to actually drag the subtitles right there, so that once we go into the banning, there's no extra things to start trying to add here. For example, here saying that we want to go like 250, and once we do that, it affects all the subtitles. So I hope this makes sense. Wish you can have more flexible alignment features for whatever subtitles that might end up being banned in to the video. So that's it for this video. I hope it's of value and helps make Subtitle Edit a better product. Thanks for watching.